So here we are at the end of the lecture. And as always with my lecture slide sheets, I give references. And they're in no particular order. As I find them, I add them on. And at the moment, there's a page and a half or a slide and a half. But I keep adding on. I see something, I find it, I follow the links. I keep on following links. And I think, oh, that's interesting. I'll make a note of that, or I'll save it, or I will try and copy the video and put that on as a link. And often as not, when you get there, it might have changed or other things will link on. And so you spend a whole morning following ideas and concepts through. And that's research. So all I can suggest to you is look at what I've found, follow those links, and see if there is more. On the YouTube channel, I've saved the collection of videos that I've found into a playlist. So when you see one, it'll then show all the others in that playlist. Do the same. Watch, see, learn, follow. You don't know where it's going to lead you. You'll probably hear somebody talking and you think, that's a word. I'll copy that down. And often as not, I have this. My moleskin. Well, it's not a moleskin. Let's bring it round. This is a Bowder. Used to be known as a Riska Bowder. It's now just Bowder Roofing. And they gave me this book, and it's what I detail in concepts, ideas, anything I hear and see. You know, details that I've started to look at, people, ideas. I saw a drawing, a cartoon the other day, and what I did was I copied those cartoons. Yeah, why not? I don't know where it's going to lead. And often as not, some of these leads just go to nowhere. And I'm thinking, okay, that was an interesting morning. But some days it does. So look at this, follow them, use your instinct. I use Google Keep to record pages. I find it very easy to use. I've got a little clip bar in the top of my my Chrome. And all I do is I just click it, make sure I've got it, make a note underneath, remind myself, why did I take this? Follow it up. I do the same with my Kindle. I read Kindles. I buy the books on there. And if I think I want to keep those books, I wait a little longer. And then I'll go back to that book and say, wonder if it's got cheaper now. And so that's the way that I keep references. I look for things. I follow things up. I make notes. I mark it out in the Kindle as you can. Finger across, note, follow this up. It looks interesting. And I do. So look at my notes, my references, follow them up, make your own. That's it. Have a good day.